Master affiliate profits, guys. We're going to be looking at a review and my update. This is video number 6, so let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, folks, here I am on my screen, and specifically just to share with you a little bit of an update with Map. Now, if you guys have not been following my journey, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. The last update video I actually posted was in November, so it's been quite a while since I actually put out a video on Map on my channel. So I'm glad to do this video. It's a good new year. It's 2025. We are starting also this journey very excited about what the progress is, and I'm personally really excited to share with you what I've been doing since then, because there's a lot been going on in the background, and I thought it would make sense for me at least to make a video, give you guys an update, share with you a little bit more, and also guide you along the way if you want to get into this journey, how you can get started. Okay, so let me go ahead and share with you a little bit about myself, my results. This is part of a series, guys, so you can check out the entire series in the description of this video, and you can also find all the resources and links below in case this is something that you want to do and get started with. Just to give you guys a little bit of a backstory on how my journey has been going, I am a person who's now working full-time, everything else, but I do work with affiliate marketing on the side, and Map is a place where I get first and foremost the accountability that I need, the information that I need. It's helping build my skill set as a marketer and as a business owner as well, so it's both, it has both those educational factors as well as creating an ecosystem for myself to be able to feel proud more than anything else and share it with other people, and then obviously get commissions on the back end, becoming an affiliate for also Map, but also other offers that exist, right? So the point is learning the skill set of becoming an affiliate marketer. So that's my entire journey. I got started with Map in phase 2. We are still in phase 2 at the time of when I'm shooting this video, and I was excited because I couldn't believe that I missed out on phase 1 first and foremost, but I'm here on phase 2, and it is, I'm definitely going to be hanging my hat on Map, as I've said in the past multiple times. So you will hear me talk about it on this channel multiple times in now, but also in the future, and I hope for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And I'll tell you why I believe that this program is going to be there for that long. Now, obviously, I cannot guarantee it, cannot guarantee results, I cannot guarantee the longevity of it. I'm not the owner of the product, guys. I'm an affiliate. But I believe definitely from my side, this has the longevity, has the way to last because of a few elements. Okay, so I'm going to share with you what those elements are. Let me just go ahead and go to my slideshow here and just give you guys a little bit of an update. If you guys didn't know, these are kind of just commissions that I'm earning. So I'm already earning commissions in affiliate marketing as a whole on Warrior Plus. On Map, as you can see, that $1,600 is on Map. That's my progress. I made a third sale. The other ones are on Warrior Plus. There's some on System.io, another system that I'm using, another ecosystem that I'm using. Also, you can see that almost $600 in commissions there, and so on and so forth. This is just a little bit of a snippet of what my results have been in various affiliate offers that I'm sharing to my email list. So my core aim over here is first and foremost to tell you that these results are not typical. These are my results. I put in the work, I put in the effort, I'm learning the skill set, and I'm applying the skill set to be able to get these kind of conversions. However, I focus on building my email list, and that's something that you can do as well. And when you do that and you start to create an ecosystem for yourself, these are the kind of results that could come your way, or even better for that matter. I'm not an experienced or high level marketer. I'm somebody who's an average Joe like everybody else, taking action and making commissions, as you guys can see. So let me go ahead and share with you a little bit of Map, but just before I go into that, I also want to say, if you're interested, links are below. If you act quickly, you can also get lifetime membership at this point in phase 2. Once we're in phase 3, it's going to turn into a monthly membership, guys. And if you do purchase through the link below in the description of this video, please send me an email and let me know that you have purchased, so I can check and give you also all my bonuses that are available. Now let's hop onto my Map, because this is a presentation that I have and I do all the time, but I want to share with you my first reason of why I believe that this is, why I'm hanging my hat and why I think that it's going to be there for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Reason being is these two individuals right there on screen, as you can see. Let me give you guys an understanding. I think the ambassador program of John Thornhill, which is a program that still exists on ClickBank and is one of the top affiliate, high-level affiliate, products that exist and trainings that exist, coaching that exists on ClickBank itself, has been there for over 10 years. Okay, I'm not going to go into specifics exactly when, but it's been over 10 years. I think almost over 15 years also that this ambassador program is existing. So just taking that, we have somebody who is building map, who's putting an effort into map and not taking away the ambassador program. That ambassador program is going to remain as long as it's needed because he is efficient with that program. He has loyal customers with that program. There is fulfillment with that program and everything else, right? So that is a coaching element that he has in place, the ambassador, which is, like I said, over 10 years plus that is working. Then you have Omar Martin, who is a student actually of John and also has my unfair advantage. And literally, I'm going to show you guys this. I went to it yesterday just to, give you guys an understanding of it. But my unfair advantage, for example, is a training, let's say, or more than a training. It's also, I'm going to pause this. More than a training, it's also a membership where you get access to a lot of things. I'm not going to go into it. I'll also tell you how you can get access to this for absolutely free, but it's been there for over 15 years. Okay. And now I'm just going to tell you it costs. Initially, it was costing $1,000 or almost $2,000. Now it's $37 for VIP access and $297 if you want the permanent VIP. So imagine how much you're saving just from this one offer. And this offer, guys, is there for the last 15 years. Yes, I'm giving you guys an understanding of how long. Okay, 15 years. High level strategies. This is what quality product that you're getting. So these are the two individuals. These are the owners of Map. This is the vision that they have behind it. They want to take all of this experience of having the last 10 to 15 years in both of individually in both of their products, putting it together and having it as Map Master Affiliate Profits. Within that, obviously, you're getting a whole lot of training. But what I want to share with you, which is pretty interesting, is that there are a lot of bonuses. So I'm just going to go to my products, and if you're watching this at the time of when the phase 2 is going on, which is currently right now, when you purchase Map, you are called a Map backer because you're backing the efforts for the future, right? And then you have a few products right here which are all bonuses, and as you can see, one of them is my unfair advantage. So you're getting that access. Otherwise you would be paying $37 per month, or you would pay $297. You're getting that absolutely free over here with the purchase of Map. Okay, so my unfair advantage, something that's lasted for 10 years and is still going on. Okay, guys, just to give you guys an understanding, here in the back office, you can see the live trainings that are there, and then you can get access to the whole thing within the back office itself. But this happened literally last week. Okay, at the time when I'm shooting this video, this happened last week. This Thursday, which is tomorrow, I believe, of when I'm shooting this video, tomorrow, it will not happen because they are taking a week off. But these are weekly trainings. So this is not something outdated, or we're talking about, okay, it's 15 years, but no one's talking about what exactly is going on right now in the affiliate marketing space. No, on the contrary, you have everything that's happening now. If you need AI help, everything is there here within my unfair advantage as well, right? So this is something that is a bonus, and it's a bonus available at the moment for backers. Okay, so when we go to phase 3, this is a bonus that's not going to be there. You're not going to get access to rapid profit system. You're not going to rapid profit assets and some other products right here. I'll show you the bonuses that you can get access to if you join as a backer, right? So if you scroll down here, you'll see this is one, this is another one, this is a third, and this is fourth and fifth and sixth. You have 6 bonuses that you're getting right here within phase 2. It's not going to happen within phase 3. So obviously I would suggest, if you are thinking about Map, what is the purpose behind it? The logic that I had in my deciding factor was simple. First and foremost, I realized that, okay, it's a one-time payment. This is something that I do need training on list building. I do need to go back to these trainings multiple times to get access to it and also improve myself. I do need the weekly support. I do need the community that's there. I do need something long term in terms of having 10 to 15 years at least in the background. And also I'm giving space for improvement, growth, and I'm getting started on the ground level. So these are all things that matter to me, which may not matter to you. But the training, it was the core element here. The quality of this training, guys, is, I don't even know how to explain it. because it's something that's really helped me a lot. So what have I been doing to build my own email list is that I've been trying to build my own email list with paid traffic. That's personally how I'm doing it. That list is being built and I'm sending out an email every single day. I use a tool called System.io to build my entire email list, guys. And as I mentioned, I send out an email every single day. So I come here, I send out a newsletter, and I send out an email. You can see it's map broadcast right here. And I send out an email every single day. Right now, there are only 60 people that are getting these broadcasts. That's absolutely fine because I haven't actively promoted my list for a long time, but I'm coming here and sending out an email. You might ask, how are you doing? How are you building a list? Training is right here. These are the exact trainings that I'm looking at. How am I writing my emails? Again, training is right here. Additionally, I would say there's a training in commission experts, which is pretty cool on email marketing as well. So giving you these tips, you won't get access unless you have MAP, right? So I take the training and every single day I send out an email to my email list and engage with them, whether they get it or whether they're not. Most probably you are seeing this video or from my email list as well, because it makes sense for me to share it with you guys. So this is a little bit of a back office tour, my reasons of why I wanted to get it. Let me show you guys how many commissions. I totally have made 3 sales in MAP, out of which, as you can see right here, 3 sales in MAP, and I made $1,692. That's totally my earnings, that commission, and the last sale came in this month of February. So that's why I'm shooting this video also, and that has come from an email that I sent to my email list. So I'm taking action. 2 sales have come from myself, and 1 sale has come from the rotator traffic. That is a bonus if you get started with MAP. But I'm not going to go into the details of it, because in the link in the description, you'll get access to a webinar which will explain everything, how MAP is, how it's different from other ecosystems, how it's going to be in the future, and everything else. So have a look at that. Obviously, this is just something that I'm hanging my hat on. As I said, this is an update video. If you guys have any questions related to it, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true, and I'm here to help.